Open up your Insta360 application. Turn on your microphone. Triple press 1, 2, 3 and connect. We have another new firmware which is known as V1000 Mic Pro official version. For the kit, we recommend updating the receiver and transmitter. Custom e-ink display upload and display your own designs or logos directly on the transmitter screen. 2. 3 mic array directional pickup modes. Switch between omnidirectional, voice focus super directional, quadroid, and figure 8 modes for precision recording in any environment. Enhance AI noise cancellation, improves vocal naturalness, and noise suppression. Insta360 seamless connection, direct Bluetooth pairing with 360 cameras, X5, X4, Air, Go Ultra, Ace Pro 2. 4-to-1 mode connection, up to 4 transmitters, single receiver. 2-to-4 mode connections, up to 2 transmitters to 4 separate receivers. Auto gain control, stabilize output volume and prevents audio clipping. 32-bit float internal recording, expands dynamic range and post-processing flexibility. And 30-hour extended battery with charging case support for prolonged use. This is 10 hours. They're telling you 30 hours with the battery thing. We have already been updated, and this is another update. I am not sure what type of update it is. Hit update, and it's loading. We tried updating in the field. We had issues in the locations we were at, and here we are updating. It doesn't take too long to update, about a minute, 2 minutes, and we don't see anything happening with the e-ink, but in the background we notice the application has changed. And here we are still updating, and we'll come back in a few. As we're finished updating, check out the Ace Pro 2 turning on all by itself. Repair and connect successfully. Bluetooth is connected to the Ace Pro 2 just like that. Test 1, 2, and we are connected. So we could close this out. We could open up, and it will not connect to the mic unless you triple press on the mic. You could connect to the Ace Pro 2 by hitting the Ace Pro 2, and you could pair and join. As the main screen was shut off, the Ace Pro 2 comes up with advertisements. Click on it, get rid of it, and these are my play videos. Hit on the camera, and now we are on the screen. How can we look for the mic in the application? In the smartphone, I cannot find anything to do with the mic. We have here on the camera AirPods. We have a microphone, dual track recording, the Instant Mic Pro. We click on the Bluetooth, we're connected. We could scroll down. We have the Instant Mic Air and the Pro. The 3 dashes opens up and you can see the Insta Mic Pro. It is kind of hard to find by looking. We have on strong, on weak, turn off. We back out. We have adaptive super directional, directional pickup, omnidirectional, front directional, bidirectional. We have voice tone preset. We have standard, rich and bright. We have text auto gain, low cut, 32-bit float, stereo internal recording, record with internal audio, loop internal, and internal recording file. We have a basic settings of child lock, bottom function of mode 1, single press the microphone to power on to shoot, double press to turn noise canceling on and off, or single press the microphone to turn on, to turn noise canceling on and off, double press, and to mute. I'm not sure what the difference is with mode 1 and mode 2. Can we back out? We have to swipe over. We could format. We have the vibration, auto off, LED, and transmitter information. We are on now the latest version, 1.0.0.0. And that is how we go. Swipe down, swipe across, look for Bluetooth, Bluetooth headset, Insta360 Mic Pro, the 3 dashes, in order to get into the microphone setting. And that is the new firmware release. Thank you for your time.